What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Ben's Vlog. Quickly, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you leave a like. Let's get on with today's video on how to install a car seat on your C300. What is going on, YouTube? It's Ben's Vlog here. Yeah, man, we're at Toys R Us, Babies R Us. We're gonna be exchanging this portable swing, and we're gonna be getting this money. Alright guys, we're at Babies R Us and we are going to be exchanging this portable swing. We're vlogging in public. What? What? Bro, you gotta do what you gotta do.
That's what I'm trying to get these views, he said.
You gotta get these views.
You're crazy when you do that shit.
And we're gonna go find this stroller that we're gonna install inside of the C300 right now. We got Vladimir behind me.
Yo,
should be around this way. Okay, and here we have the Graco Click Connect Travel System Stroller. It's the Diana version. And here you can see the model. You have the pink and gray, which is the one that we're going to be installing today. Very nice. So let's go ahead on out and see what we can do with the car. Vladimir, stop running away. What? Guys, check this out. I just saw baby Emma's new car. We got the 20-inch rims, chromed out with 20% tinted windows. Let's look at the muffler. Oh, somewhere down there. Nice. The SUV 2017 Cadillac.
Yo, me, so what are we gonna do with this nigga recording in children's plays? Making YouTube videos in here, my nigga. Este tigre está pasando vergüenza conmigo.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a car seat on the C300. When looking on YouTube on how to install a car seat on the C300, I simply didn't find any solid videos showing or explaining how to do so. So I decided to make my own. And hopefully this video will help you. So we're inside the car and we're going to be placing the car seat right behind the driver's seat. The first thing you want to do is you want to get a towel and place it on the seat. And this is going to prevent the seat from getting dents and scratches. Now we're going to get the base, and it's right over here. You can go by this red button, and this is going to go right on the back. Next, you're going to get your seat belt buckle, and you're going to run it through the hose on the side of the car seat. You're going to buckle it in. Now it's important that you tug on the belt buckles and make sure that it's nice and tight. Once you tug and you hear it locked, you know you're good to go. Then you want to tug here and press. Make sure it's really tight. Next, you're going to tug on the base just to make sure it's nice, tight, and secure. Once you see that, then you're going to take the car seat and place it facing the rear. Once you hear the click, then you can move it just to make sure it's secure. Also tug on the belt buckles just to make sure that's secure as well. If you want to remove the car seat, just hold on to this red button here and pull. Alright, you're all set. Also, just want to remind you, this is in no shape, way, or form a substitution to not reading the manual. Please read your manual and instructions carefully for your car and the car seat. That is all for today's video, guys. Please make sure you leave a like down below, drop your comments and questions, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.